So your parents are starting to age and you've got to sell the home. Let's talk about the challenges with that prospective idea. Helping aging parents make housing decisions is a delicate responsibility. Balancing practicality and empathy, these conversations shape safety, comfort, and quality of life. Approaching them with clarity and respect turns conflict into collaboration. Timing plays a critical role. Waiting until a crisis occurs, such as a fall or hospitalization, often leads to rushed decisions under pressure. Ideally, families should begin conversations early. This allows for thoughtful exploration of all the options and reduces the likelihood of reactive, conflict-driven decisions, ones that most likely are regrettable down the line. The way the conversation is initiated matters greatly. Rather than presenting a predetermined solution, begin with open-ended questions. Ask your parents how they feel about their current living situation, what challenges they're experiencing, and what their ideal future looks like to them. This approach reinforces respect and acknowledges their authority, reminding them that they are in control of the situation. Listening is just as important as speaking. Adult children may bring valid concerns about their parents' safety or maintenance of the home, but parents have equally valid reasons for wanting to stay here. They're familiar with it. The proximity to neighbors or local businesses, or even just emotional comfort. Truly hearing these perspectives builds trust. Clarity is also essential. Avoiding difficult topics leads to misunderstandings. Set next steps. Identify immediate safety needs. Schedule follow-up discussions. Start collecting important information about alternatives. Develop a simple action plan together with your parents. Agree on a timeline for revisiting those decisions. Present concerns as they were shared and as challenges rather than criticisms. Use language like, "How can we make things easier for you?" instead of, "You can't manage this anymore. It's too big for you. It's too much for you." This shifts the tone from confrontation to collaboration. Exploring options together transforms this into a problem-solving exercise. There is rarely a one-size-fits-all solution. Aging in place with modifications like grab bars may work for some. Others may benefit from moving closer to family or transitioning to a community with additional support 24/7. By evaluating these together, parents remain active participants in their decisions. Financial considerations are another important component. Adult children can help parents organize financial information and consult with professionals to ensure the decisions are sustainable. Transparency helps prevent surprises. Family dynamics can complicate the process, especially with multiple siblings. Establishing clear communication is crucial. Discussions should include all relevant parties to ensure alignment in those decisions. It may be helpful to designate one person as a primary coordinator. Respecting autonomy is a guiding principle. Even when you are deeply concerned, parents have the right to make their own decisions. Maintaining respect for their independence fosters dignity. If safety concerns become too significant to ignore, involve third parties, like healthcare providers or social workers. These professionals serve as neutral voices that are often easier to accept by your parents. Reducing conflict comes down to tone and intention. Framing conversations with empathy and patience makes them productive. Avoid ultimatums or emotionally charged statements. Focus on shared goals, maintaining independence, ensuring safety, and preserving their quality of life. Small steps can make a big difference. Approach the process incrementally rather than resolving everything all at once. Start with minor modifications or gathering informations. Gradual changes allow parents time to adjust. Ultimately, these conversations are about relationships and trust. Adult children who approach this with humility and respect maintain strong, positive connections. This is not about taking control, but about offering your support. By combining emotional sensitivity with practical clarity, families can move through this process with confidence. You are honoring the dignity and individuality of those who have spent a lifetime building a home and a family